Hi, my name's Domenica Calarco. I'm 25 years old and I'm from Sydney. I'm a YouTuber and a TV presenter. I grew up in Western Sydney and now I live in the eastern suburbs of Sydney. I would have to say my most loved thing about living in Sydney is the weather. Average day in the life of Domenica would be waking up at about 6 a.m, checking my phone straight away, as bad as that sounds, then having a coffee, going to the gym, and then straight into work. Emails, either editing a video, going to an event. Boyish, feminine, crazy. Last book I read was Call Me By Your Name, which was recently made into a movie. It is absolutely amazing, the most beautiful book I've ever read. I would say my mum, because she posts the best photos of my dog and everything else that she posts. It's just hilarious. First thing I do in the morning for my skin is wash my face with a foaming cleanser. I always have to wash my face every morning before makeup because you get a lot of oil while you're sleeping and you don't want that to be stuck underneath your makeup. So I will always exfoliate at the end of the day at night when I take off my makeup, just so that I get all of those dead skin cells, the makeup out of my pores and leave my fresh skin for nighttime. I would say my skin is combination oily. I can be really oily through my T-zone, but then I can be like super dry along my chin. It just all depends. I've had my fair share of skin issues growing up as a hormonal teenager. I used to get breakouts all along my chin and my forehead. That is where hormonally you tend to break out, and I still do once a month. So skincare is a bit of my guilty pleasure. My nighttime routine takes me about half an hour. So the bathroom is all mine for half an hour, and I do face masks almost every night. I get facials every 2 weeks, I would say, as well as Hill light therapy, so an Omnilux red light, which stimulates collagen and makes sure my skin is really plump and beautiful. So to prep my skin for the day, I always start out by cleansing my skin. Then I will go in with my serum, followed by a moisturizer. I don't tend to use primers before my foundation, so my moisturizer will act as my primer. Because I'm a perfectionist, I typically never leave without having enough time to do my face makeup, because that's just how I am. So I would always leave the house with some BB cream or a bit of bronzer and definitely a slick of lipstick. So when I'm traveling, I take these guys with me. This one for applying my serum and my moisturizer, and this one to cleanse. So my favorite FOREO product is the Espada. This little baby zaps pimples as soon as I feel them, and they don't even come to a head. It is a life changer.